see things above you, below you. Maybe you have to get something to do your work. Keep taking care of yourself, Devin. Don't worry about her. Just take care of your world. Clean your world, fix your world, prep your world, and you take care of your world. Yeah, things above you, things maybe behind you that you need to do your job. You're not worrying about the other actor at all. Great, you're doing a great job. Just listen to my voice. You're doing a great job. The next 15 seconds, you're now going to take glances at the other actor so you know what their word looks like. So repeat some of the stuff so that they can see what you've done, so that they don't walk through walls or tables or bars. Keep taking glances. Great. And when you're ready, you can begin to add dialogue. You can come into each other's world if you want.
Every day at 2.
Keep working. Keep working.
Spills a drink every time.
Drink?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Go on through my bar.
Well, now, there's that. So, boom.
Every day at 2.
Every day at 2, I come in here trying to be friends, and he's just like, no, don't be friends with me. You spilled drinks on me. I'm clumsy. I know. Hey,
Again, you're in my bar.
could you make your bar a little more defined?
It's right here.
I see that. Thank you.
Go back to your take your drink to the post office.
Can I get another one? Thanks, man.
Take it to your post office. That way you'll spill over there.
But I have papers.
Yeah, speaking of which. Did I have any mail?
You did.
Freeze. Stay there. Stay frozen. Stay frozen. So everything you've established in your character, stay in your character, Devin, stay in your character. So everything you established has been established. You're not going to create anything new. And you were just going to respond about the mail, what you did to it. So Lewis is going to give you a ballad tempo. Think about that talking in rhythm. You're going to respond. You're just totally going to start this. Devin, you're not going to respond at all. You're just going to listen. And it's all her, okay? You could start with talking in rhythm if you want.
Letters were all here. And then you gave me a beer. And I tried really hard, I did. But I don't have any lids. So I spilled.
Take that melody.
And it spilled again. And I'm really sorry. Can we be friends? Just for a second. Just for a minute. You hate me. That's fine, that's fine. You hate me. But just know, I really tried.
Now take all the time. You're going to respond. You can go back to the bar. You could touch some of the mail that's wet. Just sort through it. You're looking for that letter, that really important letter you wanted.
Every day at 2, you spill all over the place.
You could sort mail as he's talking.
More consistent.
It's kind of sweet.
I'll give you that at least. Maybe I could invest in some lids.
I think that's a really good idea. Or I've never seen another bar with a
Go back to sorting mail. Read what's in the letter. You could see it.
You're into some weird stuff.
Yeah, now you're reading my letter.
You're inappropriate.
Half minute left. Half minute left to this song. It's a duet, so try to come together.
I really tried. I really did. And I think you should really invest in some of this.
Just found out my bar is closing.
Can I do anything? Maybe that's because I'm always spilling your drinks and wasting away your money. That too.
That would explain some things.
Probably.
Back to dialogue.
I'll buy the lids. I'll buy the lids. Yeah.
What money?
I mean, I work at a post office that makes like $1 every once in a while.
Go over to your bar. Go over to your bar. Go over to your bar. Go over. Take her to the bar. Take her.
You're the only person that comes over here.
So I'm not wasting your money.
Yes,
I'm making your money. Can I have another drink?
Blackout.